For this recipe, we'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 850 grams of baby potatoes, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 6 cloves of garlic peeled, 2/3 cup of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of whipped cream, 6 spring thymes, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of sugar, and 2 dashes of cayenne pepper. Before cooking, make sure to properly wash your hands by first rinsing your hands with warm water, then thoroughly applying soap to your hands, and then rinsing your hands again to get off the soap. Make sure to do this for at least 20 seconds long. And then dry completely. For food safety, make sure to rinse the potatoes and then the thyme to get rid of any dirt and contaminants. Prep the potatoes into halves, making sure to cut away any damaged or bruised areas because bacteria can thrive in those places.
Prep the thyme by removing the leaves from the thyme stem. This can be done by running your fingers along the stem and pushing upward. Measure out the rest of your ingredients prior to cooking using the proper measuring tools. You need 3 tablespoons of whipped cream, 2/3 cup of chicken broth, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
The method of heat transfer used in the recipe is conduction. Conduction is a transfer of heat through direct contact. In this case, the transfer is done between the burner and the bottom of the pan.
Heat your pan or skillet on high heat, and when it is hot, pour in your olive oil, making sure to stand away to avoid any splashes and burns. Insert your potatoes with the skin side facing up and cook until it is golden brown. Flip the potatoes over and cook until the skin turns golden brown.
Once golden brown, push your potatoes to the side and add your butter and garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 30 seconds. Now add in your chicken broth, whipping cream, and thyme. Turn the heat down to a simmer and stir your potatoes into the rich sauce.
Make sure to turn the potatoes while simmering. As the potatoes cook in the cream sauce, the starch from the potatoes will help it absorb the cream to become infused and will lead to a flavor bomb when you bite into it. The browning of the potatoes are a result of the Maillard reaction in which the starches and enzymes react with the sugars and proteins.
Add in your salt, sugar, and cayenne pepper and mix well. Keep the potatoes on a simmer until the potatoes are cooked through. This should take about 25 minutes.
Once cooked through, take the potatoes off the heat and serve immediately.